In today's video, we will discuss conditional visibility inside Webflow, how you can use it and what it is. Conditional visibility inside CMS makes it easy for us to hide or display certain elements based on the condition we set. So let's take these featured cards as example. As you can see on this blog, we don't have this top resource tag on all of them. Now this tag can be set inside here. Let's go ahead and copy paste this. So now, currently it's shown on all the blog cards, which we don't want. Now, we can set some parameters on condition here. So let's go through some examples. The most obvious one is we will only display this top resource tag if featured post switch is on. If we save this, you can see that it immediately hides, with the exception where, of course, the blog is featured. We can also check that this one is already here, so it definitely works. Let's go through some other conditions. We have the main image, which in this case it doesn't make a lot of sense, but we can also make it visible only when main image is set. Of course, all of them are set, so it's going to be shown on all the cards. Now this is an interesting one. Let's say that we want to create a tag that says PDF or free resource or something like that. In that case, we want this tag to only be shown on the blogs or resources that do have a free PDF download. So let's do that. So PDF file is set. As you can see, most of them are empty, but as you can see, this fact sheet that does contain a PDF, the tag is right there. Now, those are some easy and simple ways you can implement conditional visibility actually within a Webflow. But let's go inside the resource template here and see what we can do here. Let's go to something that's a little bit... Okay, so because in this website we have a lot of resources and not a lot of them are blogs. So it doesn't make a lot of sense to include a table of contents inside a fact sheet blog, if that makes sense. So what I already did, I made the conditional visibility to only show table of contents if the format of the blog or a category, but in this case it's called format, which is a reference. Now, if that format is blog, so if we go into the cheat sheet here, you will see that the table of content is not visible. Same goes for this button here. We can see if we go into the resource button, it's wrapped. We can see that this is only visible once the PDF file is set. So guys, this was a really quick guide on conditional visibility. And as you can see, you can do a lot of stuff with this. Based on your needs, you can pretty much set conditional visibility for everything. And one more tip for you, if there is something like specific you need to do, you can always create a separate field inside the CMS and make sure to, alter the conditional visibility that way. As always, guys, if you found this useful, leave some comments and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.